Okay, now we want to build this our project on what? Build.phonegap.com. Login. I have an account. I just have to log in. Remember the URL. Now click. Let's get started. Now let's log in. Let's log in now. Okay. Now let's input our email address. If you have, this is my email address. All I have to do is to input my password. Now, okay. Okay. Now let's log in. Okay, there is it here. I have a project inside. As you can see, this is a project which I have inside. Default PhoneGap has been updated to 6.5, iOS 4.3.1, Android 6.1.2, Windows 4.4.3. Now we have 1, 2, 3. These four devices, mobile devices, is already updated. Now let's see mine version. I always tell you this. I put my version in a very low range, 1.0. I can put it in a high range, depends on the work I'm doing. Owned by this is an app ID, whatever. This is what PhoneGap iOS slash Android slash Windows. I told you I only target only Android. If I want to target iOS, Android, Windows phone, I have to work more on this. Let's open. That means I have to work more on my config. I have to work more on my config. That means I have to input image. Remember, I have to input image. If I have to target this now, I have to put image in this arrows slash icons like this, like that. I have to put it. This is just only the one I target, and I have an image in it. Each of these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I have an image in it. If we, let's go and check. Remember, it is 5. An icon, Android, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, I have it. Just take a look. This name, as you can see here, this is the name here. Inside it, I named this image.png. This is it here. The second line, this one, which is the third one, this is it here. And I have an image inside. This fourth, this is it here. This fifth, this is it here. This is it. Now I just want to target only Android. Now let's open. Now all I have to do, I want to remove this my old project. I want to upload. As you can see here, upload. I see something that should upload. Now let's upload like the way you used to upload a picture. Let's upload code. Upload. Yeah, let's upload. Now click on your desktop. See the root folder. You can see I need to zip this folder. Zip. I have to zip this folder. I think the instruction should be there. It should be there. I have to zip it. So I return it to solid form. See, source. I have to zip it. You have to be on zip. Now let's go back. Let's go back. Let's zip it. Right click. You have to install zip. You can see WinDrag. You have to install WinDrag on your system. Now this is my WinDrag. I have to zip it. As you can see, I have it now. Now this is it here. I have the zip file. Now I have to go back. I have to go and upload it. Now this is it here. Now I'm loading it. I click load, upload. As you can see, the name already changed. You can see it here. O Micro Word Internship 1. Now I told you in this config, this is the name here. This is the name here. The name just pump up. As you can see, this is the name here. If you doubt me, we can change this name. It automatically change. Let's put my name, Wamame app. Now let's save it again. .sml. I told you. Want to override? Want to replace? Now we already changed. Remember, we have to delete this, and we have to zip the new one. Right click, go to zip, change it to zip. Now we have it again. Now I want to upload this. Remember, we want to change the name to make sure that the name change. As you can see here, all micro internship 1 online view. Remember, this is it here. Description. Now we want to change it. Let's upload again. Upload. Now you will see it will change. Now you can see Wamame app, it changed. I told you this config has a lot of role to play. I know you understand HTML, you understand CSS, you understand JavaScript, but this XML has a lot of role to play. It is your settings. Now all we have to do is to rebuild. Now let's click on rebuild. We already click on build. You see it is turning the Android, everything is turning, the iOS, the window is turning, everything is turning. Now automatically the window successful, there's an error in iOS, window perfect, Android perfect to no error. But you remember we properly set this particular application for Android. Now all we have to do, we have to download the Android. You'll be seeing the button here automatically is loading. Now it's downloading. It's downloading it now. Let's wait to get finished. Okay. Now let's click show. Now let's open. Now this is it here. You can see the extension file. The extension file is showing what? It's showing .apk. Now let's right click and go to properties. As you can see here, this is it here, .apk. It is an Android application. Now all you have to do is it here. This is it will show you the megabyte size, everything. Or if you place your cursor to show you, you can see the size 356 kilobyte. Now you can copy this to your phone, install it on your phone. Automatically you'll be having your application on your phone, and you will see the icon on your screen like other application in your phone. So simple. Remember, so simple. This is how we do it. Just upload, zip it, zip, Make sure you always zip. You can see my source here. It is zip. Now let me make it big. You can see my source here. I explained about this. This is the description. If you feel like to describe anything, this is it here. This open, this close. In the middle, I write my description. This is the name of the app. I open, then I close. It's as simple as like your HTML tag. This is the name here, which if you take a look at it, it is the same. This is the name, this is the description. Now just save. This is it here. I zip it, then I upload. Now you can see here 1, 2, 3. Then it is successfully built. This I have an error. I'm not working on iOS. I'm working on what? Only APK. This is it. Let me take it back again. Now remember, you can automatically increase it to what? 6.1.2. If you wanted to target the I device only for APK, the other devices of APK. This is it. Thank you. See you. You can leave your comment below. It is very easy to run what? Your Android application. It is easy to do that form of cross-platform. We always talk about cross-platform, cross. That is it.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.